present to you the nomination form. You're welcome. So please have it.
Please, let's take photograph. Please. Let me now call the aspirant. He's the first aspirant. Others are independent secretary or leaders of our Green Party. The leader of our party, of course, Peter Obi and Dati Ahmed, the national chairman of our Green Party, Comrade Julius Saburi. This form was purchased by the ordinary people of Edo State.
Yes, sir.
They labored to contribute 1 naira, 2 naira, 20 naira to obtain this form.
Yes, sir.
Like you have heard from them.
Yes, sir.
They came all the way from Edo with 2 buses to make sure this form was paid for. So, on behalf of myself and my wife Kate, and my children, and all those that are yearning for positive change in Edo, I want to thank the Progressive Union of Edo State. Purchase this form. Now that you are paid for this form, I will take the ticket of our great party, and from the ticket I will win APC.
Yes,
For this form, this is a signal, this is a notice. You know, in a football match, the referee gives yellow card. I'm giving the yellow card to Governor Obaseki, to Adams Oshobole, because Oshobole and Obaseki, they will be defeated whether they like it. This is the yellow card. By the time I'm giving the ticket, by 20, yes, we have the red card. Now red card, this is where they are red card for APC and PDP. Red for PDP, APC, all of them, they are receiving red. Thank you so much. May God bless this action of Edo people.
Yes, sir.
On my own part, change is coming. Good change. For the poor in Edo State. By the grace of God, we improve on what Governor Oti is doing now. You can see what Oti is doing. The change Governor Oti is doing. I don't join Oti by the grace of God. Very exciting. It means change, good change, positive change, from labor to victory. This form means loyalty and obedience to the party. It means that Labour Party is the party that is going to take charge of Edo State this year. By this form, I'm giving yellow card to the failed government of governing Obaseki. I'm giving yellow card to the past decade of APC administration in Edo State. Enough is enough. We are tired of the suffering. We are tired of the bad roads. We are tired of the insecurity. We are tired of election rigging. I saw Ganduje the other day saying with impunity that they are going to take Edo, which I do. I do not be Lagos. I do not be Kano. I do not be Bayelsa. I do not be Kogi. I do not be Imo. If you get too head, I repeat, if you get too head, when I get the ticket, and backed by the strength of Edo people, come and rig our election.
Okay, right now, about 29
Yes.
already aspiring to contest. Showing the number of days, we have quite a number of people, aspirants, who will come here and pick the same form we are holding. In all this, what stand you out? And again, there will be so much agitation and advocacy with regards to zoning. What is your position on this?
In all this, what stand me out? What stand me out is my experience. What stand me out is my passion for Edo people. What stand me out is that Edo people know, they know me, I know them. When they hear my voice, they know. When I hear their voice and their cry, I know. What stand me out is that we want a change. What stand me out is that they know who they know. We want the man we know. We don't need strangers from Lagos, cartel from Lagos. That's what stand me out.
Are you reaching out to other
Zoning, your position on zoning.
My zoning. Justice, fairness, and equity is sine qua non for development. Why do I think Edo Senators should get the ticket of Labour Party or of Edo 2024? Because it is our turn. Tinubu was right when he said a Milokon. I declare by this form, a Milokon is the turn of Edo Central to produce the governor of Edo State in 2024. I have put in 20 years of hard work, industry, crisscrossing the 192 wards of Edo State 10 times. No man knows Edo like I can in IMASUAGBON. No man have fed Edo people, the poor, the women, the students. Nobody have given them iPad scholarship like I have done with my sweat money. The people of Edo are waiting to pay me back. All that I will say, Labour Party should give me the ticket. When they give me the ticket and I fly the ticket on the 22nd by the grace of God, says Abasaki has spoken English in his ears. Good phonetics. But he has done nothing for the people. So that's why I'm coming. That's why I left the party. The party PDP in Edo is a monumental failure. When the campaign starts, when I'm in front to lead the campaign, we'll see. We have I'm not ready. This is not the time for campaigns now. But why will I rate him in a count of 0 to 10? Or rate him 2 people?
You were the first to pick the form from your party, but we know in coming days there will be others.
I will expect primary. I will expect I call on all aspirants, co-aspirant, labor. How acceptable the party is, more than anything. Yes, of course, it's going to be like going to the Olympics, where the best will take the gold. So I enjoy that. Let there be debates, let there be speeches, let there be a good, free and fair, credible primaries. Of course, in a free and fair, credible primaries, nobody, with due respect to other 29 aspirants, have my spread, my experience, my passion, my gusto, gust, my courage, what I've done for Edo people. Nobody in all the 3 political parties have my trappings and my records. Records don't lie.
20 million.